Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna hop into CVS and share with you guys the best deals you can do using your CVS CRT. So make sure you're giving this video a big thumbs up so I know you guys are still enjoying them. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Let's go ahead and hop in. All right, you guys, so the first deal that I'm gonna share with you guys using your CRTs is on the Almay Cosmetics. So Almay Cosmetics are priced for, they're buy 12 and get a $4 extra care buck back. So I got a request to do the quad, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these. I tried them once before, I didn't like them, so I'm going to actually try some more bolder colors. So I'm going to get this Thrill Seeker one as well as the Unapologetic one. So I'm picking 2 of these up, and then I have a few different CRTs to use. So I have a 3 of 12 CRT for cosmetics as well as a 5 off 1 Almay Cosmetics CRT that printed from last week. And then I'm using 2 of the 3 off 1 coupons. So I'm gonna end up paying 58 cents, and then I'm going to get a $4 extra care buck, making it a $3.42 moneymaker. So this is a killer deal using your CRTs and coupons. All right, you guys, so I have a really nice matchup deal for the L'Oreal Revitalift Volume Filler Day Cream Moisturizer. So it is priced for $26.99, and L'Oreal is part of a spend $25, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So I got a $5 L'Oreal moisturizer CRT that printed. So we also have insert coupons. So there is a 2 off 1 coupon in the Retail Me Not for this week. So in total, I can take $7 off with my coupon and CRT. So now we're down to $19.99, and then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making it $14.99. So I think that's a great deal. Anytime we can like pair really high value CRTs with coupons and extra care buck deals, it's always a great one to consider doing. All right, you guys, I think I'm seeing a sneak peek at some of the Physicians Formula holiday collections. So this is the gold palette. So it is a 24 karat gold collagen face palette. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It comes with a bronzer, a highlighter, eyeshadow, and a mascara. Like, I want to open it. Okay, I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So take a look at this guy. So it's $17.99. I'm also seeing something else in here. It is the limited edition. Looks like there's a lip sleeping mask in 3 lip colors, and this is $14.99. All right, you guys, so I'm also seeing the Physicians Formula lip palette. So usually during the Black Friday season, they will actually put this on a promo for extra care bucks, and we can get this for like really cheap, you guys. So my store has already gotten the stock out, so I'm really excited to see what the extra care buck offerings are going to be this year. All right, you guys, so we have a nice little deal on the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup. So it's priced for $16.49, and we have a $4 cashback on Ibotta, and I got a 3 off 1 that printed from the CRT machine. So that's going to make this just $9.49. All right, you guys, so another deal we have is on the Hydro Boost Lip Shines. These guys are priced for $10.99. If you use this 3 off 1 coupon and pair the 250 off the $250 cash back, so that's $5.50 back. So now you're down to $5.49. You can also do this on the Neutrogena eyeshadows. I haven't tried these guys out, but if you guys have, let me know if you enjoy them and if you would like me to review them. All right, you guys, so the CVS Health brand flushable cleansing wipes, these guys are priced for $5.29. Now if you have a CVS Care Pass, you're going to take 20% off, and I got a 2 off 1 CRT, so $3.29 and then an additional 20% with your CVS Care Pass. All right, you guys, so I got another CVS CRT for the ear or eye. So the eardrops are priced for $4.59, so that $2 CRT drops it down to $2.59, and then you save an additional with the CVS Care Pass. Okay, so something else you can use that CRT on is the irritated eye drops. So this is priced for $9.49. That 2 off CRT will make it $7.49, and you also save 20% off additional with your CVS Care Pass. All right, you guys, so I really hope that you guys got this 3 off 3 CRT for the Hallmark cards, because the Hallmark cards are on a buy 3 get a $3 extra care buck. And thank you so much for letting me know about this CVS coupon. So it's a 3 of 3 coupon. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $6, and then you're going to use both of these coupons together, so it makes it free. So it makes it a $3 moneymaker. So this is a killer deal on Hallmark cards here at CVS, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's CVS CRT video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Another question I have for you guys, we recently got a local Rite Aid. So a Rite Aid that's close. So do you guys want to start seeing Rite Aid on my channel? Let me know. And I will definitely start looking at the Rite Aid ads and trying to do some matchups for Rite Aid. So comment below if you would like to see Rite Aid, or if you don't really care about Rite Aid, then let me know that as well.